Now let's see the another standard discrete time signal, that will be the ramp signal or unit ramp signal. Next be the unit ramp signal. This ramp signal also be represented as R of n. Represented as R of n. So the representation be like this: R of n, that will be equal to n for n greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for n less than or equal to 0. Let's see the plot for this ramp signal. That will be the, this will be the R of n. Here our independent variable will be the 1 n, that will be the here, this will be the 0, here 1 2 3 4 and 5, and here this will be the -1 -2 -3 and here so on. Here you can observe how we can draw this ramp signal. So the ramp signal be like this: at constant 0 you will get the 0, and here the 1 you will get the, here the slope be the 1, and here also. How you define the slope? Slope means change in y-axis divided by change in x-axis. So in this way we can represent our unit ramp signal. So here the slope be the equal to 1. There will be a relationship between the unit step signal and the unit ramp signal. Let's see that. This will be the relationship between unit ramp and unit step signal. That will be the R of n, that will be equal to n into u of n. Put this will be an star mark. For 1 mark bits they will be regularly asked this type of relationships. And let's see the another relationship also present for this unit ramp and the unit step signal. Let's see that. Here relationship between unit ramp signal and unit step signal. So the relationship be the u of n minus 1, that will be equal to r of n minus r of n minus 1. This was also the important relationship. Let's see the plot for this r of n. So this will be the r of n. So this will be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here the independent variable will be the n. Here this will be the -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. You already know r of n, that will be equal to n for n greater than or equal to 0, that will be 0 for n less than or equal to 0. That means whenever you see the n less than or equal to 0 case, what you will get? You will get there as an 0. Here there will be no signal will be present. Here you will get this will be an 0 for n less than or equal to 0. For n greater than or equal to 0, you have to, the line will be like this, where you can find the slope for this. Here this will be the at 0, here for the 1, and here this will be the 2, here this will be the 3, and here this will be the 4. And if you want to write if you join like this, what you will get? You will get the some straight line like this. And similarly, what you have to do? Subtraction, right? Minus, here the subtraction, minus r of n minus 1. The plot be like this. Here this will be the independent variable be the n, here this will be the 0. First thing what you have to do, you have to take the bracket value will be equal to the 0. That means n minus 1, that will be equal to 0. N is equal to how much you will get? You will get the n is equal to 1. That means your plot will get started at not n is equal to 0, where this r of n minus 1 case, your plot will get started at 1. So here this will be the 0, here this will be the 1, this will be the 2, this will be the 3, this will be the 4, and this will be the 5, and this will be the 6. So here for n is equal to 1 started, and n is equal to 2, change in slope as 1, and here 2, and here 3, and here this will be the 4, like this, and here this will be the 5. Now let's do the subtraction for this r of n minus r of n minus 1. What we will get? The plot be like this. This will be the n, this will be the u of n minus 1, that will be equal to r of n minus r of n minus 1. And here let's see, this will be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here this will be the 5, here this will be the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on like this. You can't take this value, this will be there just like in 0, right? This will be in 0, no problem. Now let's check this. Here you can observe, here this will be then 0, 0 minus 0, how much you will get? You will get the 0, right? And here 1 minus 0, how much you will get? That will be the 1. Here you will get the 1. And for second, here you can observe, this will be the 2, 2 minus 1, how much? That will be the 1. And next for 3, that will be the 3 minus 2, how much you will get? That will be the 1. And next 4 minus 3, how much you will get? That will be the 1. So here you can observe, this will be an step unit step function, right? Constant, you will get the 1. So this will be the relationship between the unit ramp signal and the unit step signal. For example, if you want to need only u of n, what will happen? Let's see. So here this will be a relationship of u of n minus 1, right? Particularly if you need only u of n means, what you have to do? You have to do some simple manipulations, then you will get the u of n. Here put n is equal to n plus 1. What will happen? That will be the u of n plus 1 minus 1, that will be equal to r of n plus 1 minus r of n plus 1 minus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, here plus 1 minus 1 get cancel. This will be the u of n, that will be equal to r of n plus 1 minus r of n. This is also one type of relationship between the unit ramp signal and as well as the unit step signal. Thank you.